In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Wix site. 2026 guide. While Wix doesn't offer a single switch to lock down an entire site, you can achieve strong protection by combining two actions: adding passwords to individual pages and hiding your site from search engines. I'll walk you through both, explain why they matter, and share a few tips to keep things smooth. First, let's protect individual pages. Open your site in the Wix editor and look for the Pages icon on the left. This shows every page on your site, including your homepage. Find the page you want to secure, click the three dots next to it, and choose Settings. In the panel that opens, head to the Permissions tab, select Password Holders, then type the password you want visitors to enter before they can see that page. You can use a different password per page if you prefer. When you're done, repeat the same process for each page you need to protect. If your goal is to secure the entire site experience, you'll need to do this for every page in your menu, including any hidden pages you still link to. A quick tip: use strong, memorable passwords and share them only with people who need access. After setting passwords, preview your site or open it in a private browser window to confirm the lock is working as expected. Next, let's keep the site out of search results. Even with passwords, pages can appear on Google unless you adjust a global setting. Go to your Wix dashboard and open Marketing and SEO. Click SEO, scroll to Tools and Settings, then choose SEO Settings. Here you'll find a toggle labeled Let Search Engines Index Your Site. Turn this off. Wix will apply a no index tag to every page and remove your sitemap, which tells search engines not to list your content. Confirm by selecting Hide Your Site. Keep in mind, if your site has already been indexed, it may take some time for existing results to disappear, but this setting prevents new indexing going forward. To recap, page-level passwords stop unauthorized visitors from viewing content without the correct password, while the SEO setting keeps your site from showing up in search results, making it much harder for strangers to stumble onto your URLs. If you have a lot of pages, prioritize your homepage and any sensitive sections, and keep the entire site hidden from search engines for an extra layer of protection. When your changes look good, publish so everything goes live. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.